So we're still working on page 5 and we're on lesson 2. Let me just zoom out a little bit. We've done the first column, we've done all of our work. Right now, what we're going to do is the same questions, except we're going to do these on the calculator. So let me open up. We have our graphing calculator here. And whoops. What I'm going to do is type in our data. When you do this on the calculator, you actually don't have to put the numbers in order. So that is one thing that makes it much easier. So I'm going to type all of these in. So to do that on our calculator, I'm going to go to Stat, Edit, just like we had done previously. And I have all of my numbers typed into L1. Scroll all the way down. I think the last one should be, okay, the 16th one. Here's my 34. Little red mark there. That's 16. So now instead of going stat calc number whatever, 4 or 8 or 0, we're going to go stat calc. And this time we're going to choose 1 because we're only using the first column. So stat calc 1, enter. And this gives us all of our information. It just looks really strange. So here we have, let me see if I can write on this. Okay. I'm looking on a blank screen. Is it going to let me do it? X with a bar. That stands for our average. Let's see if I can. Okay. X bar means average or mean. We're going to ignore these. Look, this is our number, 16. That's how many data points we had. And then here's our minimum. Okay, 16 was our lowest number. Our Q1, which we found, was 23.5. Median, or Q2, was 34.5. And Q3 was 38.5. All of those values we found right here. Q1, median, Q3. Our smallest, our largest. And remember, our mean was 36 point, I think it was 812. That's this right here. So you just have to remember stat edit and then stat calc, number 1. So I'm going to pause my video for a sec and put up the key so you can take a look. Okay, so this is much neater. This is my key on paper, not on the board. So we have our information. Here's our symbol. X with a bar means mean or average. We found the median. The one thing the calculator doesn't do is it doesn't find the mode for you. Standard deviation is on here. Let me see if I can make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so here's standard deviation. This is called a sigma, and it's 23 point, I put 6.8. Our Q1 is here, 23.5. Median, or Q2, is 34.5. Q3 is 38.5. And our range is maximum minus minimum. So 123 minus 16. And the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So you can get this doing it by hand, or you can use stat edit and stat calc number 1 in your calculator.